Welcome back. So we are doing the problems in ratio and applications. So today we'll do the problems in exercise 4. The first problem is in school X. See, in school X. So just we write for school X. For school X, 48 students appeared for 10th class exam, out of which 36 students passed the exam. In another school Y, 30 students appeared, 24 passed. If the district educational officer wants to give an award on the basis of pass percentage, to which school will he give the award? So, award will be given to the school whose pass percentage is more. If the pass percentage is more, that school will get an award. So here first we will find out for school X. So first one. So the number of students. So how many students are there in the X school? The number of students is 48. That means that 48 students appeared for 10th class exam, out of which 36 students passed. So the number of students passed. The number of students passed. How many passed? Number of students passed is 36. Now we'll find out the pass percentage. Pass percentage is nothing but, see, the number of students passed is 36 out of 48 into 100. So here 12 3s are 36, 12 4s are 48. I cancel in 12. Then 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, remainder 2, 4 5s are 25. So 4 was 25 times in 100. So 3 into 75 is 75% we got. So that means the pass percentage in school X is 75%. Now we go for school Y. School Y. So in school Y, the number of students. In school Y, number of students is equal to how many students are in another school? 30 students appeared. So number of students appeared for 10th class exam is 30, and the number of students passed. Number of students passed. So the number of students passed is 24. Okay. Now we have to find out the pass percentage. So pass percentage is nothing but 24 students passed out of 30 into 100. So here 0 0 will cancel. 3 1s are 3 8s are. So we are getting 80 into 10 is 80%. So for school X it is 75%, school Y is 80%. So which is more pass percentage? For school Y they got more pass percentage. So the DEO, that means the district educational officer should give an award to which school? The award goes to school Y, right? So this is completed. Next problem. Last year the cost of 1000 articles was 5000 rupees. This year it goes down to 4000 rupees. So what is a percentage decrease in the price, right? So they are comparing last year and the present year. So first we check for the last year. So last year we write the cost of 1000 articles. The cost of 1000 articles is rupees 5000, right? Now we'll find out the cost of one article. The cost of one article will become 5,000 by 1,000. So what is cost of one article? We get the cost of one article will be rupees 5. Now present year we'll see. Last year is over. Now what is this year? That means we write present year. See, in present year, the cost of 1,000 articles, is rupees 4,000, because in the problem it is mentioned that this year it goes down to 4,000. So the cost of 1,000 articles is 4,000. So here we find out the cost of one article. So what is cost of one article? It is 4,000 by 1,000. So we get rupees 4. We get 4 rupees. See, the cost of one article 5 rupees last year, and this year it is 4 rupees. Now what is the decrease in price? The decrease in the price is nothing but it is 5 rupees minus 4 rupees. This is, we get 1 rupee. The decrease in price is 1 rupee. Now we have to find out the percentage decrease. See, the percentage decrease. How to find the percentage decrease? What is the decreased price? Comparing to last year and present year, it is 1 rupee. So 1 by, what is the actual cost? Actual cost of the article. Actual cost of the article is 5 rupees by 5 into, as we are finding for percentage means per 100, you have to multiply with 100. So 5 ones are 5 20s are. So what is answer? The percentage decrease is 20%. So this is completed. Next problem. Srijyoti has a basket full of bananas, oranges and mangoes. 50% are bananas, 15% are oranges, and what is the percentage of mangoes? Remember, percentage means per 100. So here what we do is bananas, oranges, mangoes. See, 50% bananas, just we write, so bananas are how much? 50%. Oranges, it is 15%. Now we have to find out the percentage of mangoes. The percentage of mangoes we have to find out. See, what we have to do is, percentage means per 100. So 100%. From this 100 we need to subtract 50 plus 15. Right? First you add 50 plus 15, subtract from 100. So that is 100% minus 50 plus 15 is 65%. Now we get the percentage of mangoes here. See, I write it. Percentage of mangoes is equal to, so 10 minus 5, 5, 9 minus 6, it is 3. So the percentage of mangoes is 35%. This is completed. Next problem. See, 64% plus 20% plus something is to be added to that. That gives 100%. So we have to find out this unknown. So to find this unknown, what we do is, first add these two. How much we will get? 4 and this is 8. We get 84% plus this unknown is equal to 100%. Now, in order to find the unknown one, this is nothing but 100% minus 84%. So the unknown will be 100 minus 84 is 16%. Okay, so this is completed. Next problem. On a rainy day, out of 150 students in a school, 25 were absent. Find the percentage of students absent from the school and what is the percentage of students present. Both we have to find, absent and present. So first, number of students, total number of students we write. total number of students is equal to 150, right? So number of students absent is equal to 25. Then number of students, that's all, number of students absent is 25. So we find out the number of students present. See, how to find number of students present? From the total strength you subtract the number of students who are absent, that is 150 minus 25, this is equal to 125. So the number of students present is 125. Now after that, find the percentage of students absent. So the percentage of students absent is equal to, see how to find the percentage of students absent. So how many are absent? How many are absent? 25 are absent out of 150. Percentage into 100. As we are finding percentage, you have to multiply with 100. So we can cancel 0, 0. Okay, 5 3s are 15, 5 5s are 25. So we are getting 50 by 3. This 50 by 3, you have to write it in mixed fraction. Okay, 50 by 3. So how to write it in mixed fraction? We'll divide. See, 3 16s are 48, remainder 2. So it is 16, 2 by 3. So what is the number of percentage of students absent? It is 16, 2 by 3%. So here percentage of students absent is 16, 2 by 3%. Now after that, the percentage of students who are present also we have to find out. So here we'll do it. Percentage of students present. Percentage of students present is equal to, so how many students present? It is 125. So you write 125 by total strength into 100. Okay, so here 0 0 will cancel, 5 3s are, 5 2s are. So we are getting 125 into 2 is 250 by 3. So this we have to calculate this. So just divide this. See, 3 8s are 24, 1 0, 3 3s are 9, remainder 1. So 83 1 by 3%. 83 1 by 3%. So the percentage of present is 83 1 by 3%. This is completed. Next problem. Out of 12,000 voters in a constituency, 60% voted. Find the number of people voted in the constituency. Okay. So here we have to find out the number of people voted. So how to find the number of people voted? See, in a constituency 12,000 voters are there. In that 60% voted. So 60% voted means 60 by 100. So just if you calculate 12,000 into 60 by 100, we get the number of people voted in a constituency. So 0 0 0 0 we can eliminate. So we have 120 into 60. We have to multiply these two. See, 60 zeros are 0, 62s are 120. So 12 carry. 61s are 60. 60 plus 12 is 72. So the number of people voted is 7,200. It is completed. Next problem. 40% of a number is 800. Then find the number. Okay. So what we do, we assume a number. Let the number be x. Okay. Now 40% of a number is 800. So 40% of a number is 800. Of a number is x. So here 40% of x is 800. So what we do is, it is nothing but 40 by 100, we remove this percentage by 100 into x is equal to 800. Here off means you have to multiply 40% of a number. So 0, 0 cancels. So x is equal to 800, cross multiply 10 by 4. So 4 ones are 4 twos are 4 zeros are zeros are. So x is equal to, we get 2000. So therefore what is the number? What is 40% of 800? It is 2000. It is completed.